All right, Tech Made Easy, guys. Well, you already know by the picture on the image that you clicked, where am I going? Well, it is January, guys, and I'm in the temperatures of 20 to 25 degrees, but I'm going to get it. Yep. I'm in a cold area going to get a new mower. I can't wait. All right, you check this out. Oh my God, the new 10 amp hour battery. I'm excited to see this, but I'm also excited to test it. Is it worth the upgrade if you have an LM2130 or 35? That's the question, right? And if you don't, maybe you have a previous model and maybe it's worth it for you to now upgrade. I'm going to do the side-by-side comparison for sure, but in this video, I'm just going to do an unboxing. I'm going to go over the unit. We're going to take really close looks. Be right back. Let me get that box. There it is, guys. All the way up there. There it is. Big boxes, stacked up high. I'm grabbing one now. We're gonna have some fun. All right, guys, it's windy. Wind chill. We're about 25 degrees right now. You see what I got the back of my truck. Well, that would be all of it. LM2156sp. Of course, 8.3 pounds of torque. Did I say pork? This is with the 10 amp hour battery. It's got the new high lift blade in the box. Oh man, this is gonna be fun. 5-year warranty on the 10 amp hour battery. Oh, we're gonna unbox this. I want you to check it out, okay guys? Oh, I'm so excited. All right, here we go. All right, guys, so here we go. This is the box. I finally got it off the truck and into the garage. Let's take a look at what's included. We'll take a nice close-up look and see what that is there, huh? So I don't think I got tape. I think I got more glue that they use for this box. All right, we'll take some stuff out nice and slow. And you can see I'm trying to be gentle because I hate breaking things. But there you go. Beast mode. All right. Let's start off with the charger. As you guys know, I did a open boxing on this. This is a CH7000 700 watt fast charger. Very nice. All right. You got your fuel gauge on the top. All right. So 25, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Which is really nice. You also have smart technology on this. You can connect this to the Ego Power Plus app and see where your batteries are real time, or your battery, I should say. Let me put this here for now. Here's the battery. Oh my God. I've been dying to get my hands on one of these. I know you guys want to see it too. I do. So this is the 10 amp hour battery with now a 5-year warranty. Okay, other Ego batteries have a 3-year warranty, but this guy here has a small charge, 10 amp hour. Is that sweet or what? I'm excited. All right, so there's the battery there. Okay. All right, here's your blades now. So look at this. I know we want to see this. So the upper blade is already installed. I'm pretty sure there's another blade in there as well. But this is the high lift blade, okay? And they just made them in green, which is cool. I mean, you know, the way you see the pictures online, they show a green blade, but then you get a black blade, okay? But look at that, huh? I'm excited to see that. This just looks like a kind of a basic mulching blade. It's not a gator blade or anything like that. It looks pretty standard. All right. So you do get these two blades. So let's put that there for now. Wow, this is a party. Take this out. All right, you get your bagger. All right, so we get our bagger, standard bagger, so that's fine. Nice bag. I don't know if they did any changes. You know, when we start doing our close-up, guys, I'm going to do a detailed review. If you know the channel, I'm going to do a detailed review on this one versus the LM2155sp. Here is your rear side discharge. All right, so you get that. Here's the mower. Give me a second. I'll pull this out and I'll be right back. All right, guys, it's out of the box. The cat is out of the box. All right, you get your booklets. And guys, you do get a booklet. All right, and this is for people that want to see the unboxing, that want to see everything included. You do get a manual, a very thick manual for the mower. You get one for the battery. You get one for the charger. Okay? I will tell you now, warranty this as soon as you get it. Because when you have a problem, or before you have a problem, Ego will send out a part or proactively contact you if you're registered. I'll give you an example. When we had the snowblower, the two-stage snowblower, a lot of people didn't register that. And what happened was the folks that registered their two-stage snowblower got an Ego chute upgrade kit sent to them because we uncovered that there was a challenge with the chute. So I'll put the video up here if you want to see the Ego chute upgrade video. All right, take a look at that when you get a chance. But let me go ahead, throw these manuals aside, take off the plastic here. Let's lift this up. Let's take a closer look. So there you go, some advertisement. #1 rated battery power platform. All right, exceeds the power of gas. This now has 8.3 pounds of torque. Get it? I said that earlier. It's actually torque. But I like pork. All right, so let me I'll leave that on there for now. But so, hey, let's take some close-ups of this guy here. So here is your 7 position. Your handle to lift this 7 positions. All right. I believe still it should be 9-inch wheels in the back. Should still be 7 inches in the front. Should still be. I didn't check the specs, guys. Here's where you have your LED headlights. Okay, LED headlights are here. I wonder if they've improved those. Again, I'm going to do a head-by-head on the previous model. All right, people hate when I say the old model. Here is, let's see, how to start your mower, a little quick guide. So you do get that also. I like that the battery door also stays open, which is nice. And don't forget, you do get this nice see-through. You can actually see where your batteries are and charging, which is nice. Let's take the 10 amp hour and slide it in for now. I mean, obviously it's got 1 bar. We're not turning this thing on. But, oh boy, that bay looks bigger. That bay does look bigger. It'd be interesting to see. Yeah, I was told this fits in all of the products. Again, they made this somehow almost in the same form factor as a 7.5 amp hour battery. Again, only 1 bar there for now. I'll take that out in a minute. Here's your handle. If you've never seen this before, it's not a review, but it's a very easy way to tilt it up or close it, which is nice. Here's a good look at the back of the mower. Okay, open it up. There's your mulch plug. Looks pretty much the same as well. Standard mulch plug. Pushes right in. I showed you earlier the side discharge. Looking at this side of the mower, looks pretty much the same. Okay. got that new car smell, you know. So there you go, guys. All right, so I took the battery out, so I could also show you the blades that are pre-installed, right? I mean, I want you to see everything. I call it a detailed unboxing. All right, so let's close this up. Let's pick this up and turn it around because you need to see the blades that are pre-installed. There you go, man. I mean, green for the first time I've ever seen, which is nice. All right, so your upper blade, and there it goes. There's your gator blade, right? Your mulching gator blade is pre-installed. Now before it wasn't like that. They didn't install this blade. So it's interesting to find that they did. But there you go, guys. All right. Very cool. Very, very cool. Guys, let's take a moment for folks that have never seen this machine and are looking at it for the first time, to know that you do have this self-propel system here, okay? So if you're going to want that, obviously this model includes its SP for self-propel. You just turn it on, you know, to the speed you want, and you press these buttons, which is nice, okay? You do have a LED light here, a switch for the light. You also have a gauge for your battery that'll light up in different colors, and you still can see your battery from inside, you know, while you're mowing, which is nice through that clear thing there. Handle adjustments, very easy. Just open this up, pull out, lock in place, and now, guys, you are set. You're set. I mean, really. And that is an unboxing on the LM2156sp. All right, any questions, any comments, let me know. Definitely give us a thumbs up. We'd appreciate it. Had to buy this on my own dollar. So I didn't get this from Ego. I wish I did. But I'm a small channel, and so I have to do 12-month financing, etc. to get this. Don't ask what I paid, but you're probably going to know. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching our video. Take a moment and give us a thumbs up. We really appreciate that. And check out Brooklyn. She's wagging her tail for you. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell. You'll get notified of new videos and you'll join the family. Also, contact us or follow us on Instagram or Twitter. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.